Hi, today our topic is a synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, for this purpose, first main compound is 4-methoxy 2,5-toluquinone. At fourth position, methoxy group is there. Okay, these 2,5 positions quinones are there. Okay, in benzene, methyl group is there. That is why it is toluene. That is why it is called 4-methoxy 2,5-toluquinone. Okay, it is dienophile. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4 at first position and at third position dienes are there. Okay, that is why it is called 1,3 butadiene. Okay, diene react with dienophile and forms a adduct. Okay, so this reaction is nothing but Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, in this reaction CH2 containing double bond is rotate towards this side. Okay, here negative charge increases. Due to that reason, here again electron transfer this side. Here positive charge, here negative charge present. Okay, next in dienophile, here pi bond is rotate towards methyl side. Here this carbon have negative charge. Here sixth place have a positive charge. From here to here, negative to positive bond forming occurs like this. Here positive to negative bond forming occurs like this. Okay, one cyclic compound is formed, that is nothing but adduct compound. Okay, so this is a cis isomer. Okay, why? Because here methyl and hydrogen both are in cis position, that is why it is cis isomer. Okay, so it is react with aqueous base. Aqueous base nothing but at a time here water and base is there. Okay, so this sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, that is why it is called aqueous base. Here OH minus ions are present, H plus ions are present. Okay, that time this cis isomer is convert like trans isomer. Okay, here this methyl group is top side, this hydrogen is down side. Okay, that is why it is dotted, so it is large line. Okay, next this trans isomer is our third product. Okay, so it involves in reduction within the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Here 3 moles of hydrogen is utilized. That time here 3 pi bonds are reducted, nothing but these 3 pi bonds are absorbs these 3 hydrogen molecules. Okay, and these 3 pi bonds are convert like 3 single bonds. Okay, and here O is convert like OH. Double bond O, here it is convert as OH. Here double bond, here single bond. Okay, next this is the fourth compound. This fourth compound again involves in hydrolysis within the presence of hydrochloric acid. From here hydrogen is there, 2 hydrogens is there actually. Okay, it takes 1 hydrogen from here and here hydroxide group. These both are combined to eliminate as a water. Okay, H plus and OH minus both are eliminate as a water like this. Here OH minus. Okay, from H it is like this. Okay, here bond forming occurs. This is our fifth product. Okay, this fifth product again react with acetic anhydride and zinc acetic anhydride. Okay, in some of books here hydrolysis also there. Anyway, you have to remember directly acetic anhydride and zinc acetic anhydride. Okay, that time what happens, this OH group is convert like a H, remaining same as this. Okay, so this is our sixth product. Okay, after that this is involving in Claisens and condensation reaction. Okay, within the presence of ethyl formate and sodium methoxide. Here formic acid actually within the place of hydrogen ethyl is there, that is why it is called ethyl formate. Okay, this is the sodium methoxide. This ethyl formate containing ethoxide minus ion and this ring containing hydrogen plus ion both are eliminated like ethyl alcohol. Here this C double bond OH directly attacked as like this, double bond CH bond OH like. Okay, here this is the extra chain form. Okay, nothing but hydroxymethylene ketone. Okay, this compound is seventh one. Okay, this seventh compound again involves in Michael condensation reaction. Okay, so within the presence of ethyl vinyl ketone, CH double bond CH2 it is vinyl, C2Hy actually it is, right. So C2H5 ethyl, CH double bond CH2 vinyl, ethyl vinyl, middle carbonyl group is nothing but ketone. Ethyl vinyl ketone presents and potassium tertiary butoxide present. It is convert like 8th compound. How it is see here? Like this. Okay. So from vinyl, this pi bond is rotated towards this side. Here negative charge. Okay. Here positive charge. Okay. So from here, this OH group containing hydrogen electron moves towards this side. It is eliminated as plus charge. Okay. This plus charge is attacked this CH minus place. Okay. And here carbon have 5 electrons, nothing but unstable. Electron is rotated towards this side. Here negative charge, this carbon place. Okay. Negative charge containing carbon is attacked with this CH2 plus. Okay. And forms our compound like this. Okay. CH2 CH2. Why? Because the CH minus absorbed H plus. That is why it is also convert like a CH2. Okay. Next C double bond CH2 CH3. Okay. So this is our 8th compound. Here CHO is removed. Okay. It is again react with potassium hydroxide, ethylene group containing H2 and this keto group containing O. Both are eliminated as water, and here cyclization occurs and forms this kind of a compound. Here double bond is there, same as this methyl group. So this is the cycle compound. Okay. That is why cyclization occurs. This is our 9th compound. Okay. Next, it is involves in oxidation within the presence of osmium tetroxide. This pi bond is deviated. These two carbon side once OH is attacked. Okay. So these two OH groups are in cis positions, nothing but cis hydroxide groups containing compound is formed. Okay. This is our 10th compound. Okay. It is again react with acetone in presence of anhydrous copper sulfate. That time it eliminates water molecule from acetone. This is oxygen, and from these two cis hydroxides, these two hydrogen molecules are eliminated and H2O water molecule is eliminated. Okay. And forms isopropylidene compound like this. Okay. So this isopropylidene compound is our 11th compound. Again it is react with the strontium carbonate. Actually it is selective reduction. Within the presence of platinum metal, hydrogenation is occurs, nothing but reduction reaction is occurs, especially selective, nothing but what we have to reduce, that one only reduce, right? Okay. So here only this pi bond reducing purpose we are using this selective reduction reagent. Okay. So that time only this pi bond double bond is convert like this single bond. Okay. So this is our 12th compound. Next it is react with ethyl formate and sodium methoxide. It is nothing but Claisen and condensation reaction. Here also what happens, carbon carbon bond formation occurs. See here like this, same as this 6th compound like Claisen and condensation. In 12th compound also Claisen and condensation occurs. Okay. And what happens here, double bond CHOH is attacked. Okay. So this is our 13th compound. Okay. It is react with the methyl aniline. Okay. This methyl aniline addition is only for the sake of to protect this carbonyl group. Okay. So later it may form this 14th compound. Okay. Here NH containing hydrogen, this CHOH containing OH, both are eliminated as a water. Okay. And form CH bond N CH3 PH. Okay. So next this is our 14th compound. Okay. It is react with the vinyl cyanide and also involves in oxidation. How it is, see this like this. Okay. So this pi bond is rotated towards this carbon side. Okay. That time this hydrogen is eliminated as a H minus ion. Okay. In vinyl CH2 double bond CH containing here pi bond rotate towards CH2 side, it is minus charge, here CH plus charge. This CH plus is absorb this H minus ion, it converts like a CH2, okay, and this CH2 minus is attacked here, okay, this place, and it forms CH2CN like compound, okay. Again it is involved in hydrolysis and forms CN is convert like COOH, okay. So this is our compound. 15th compound, it is racemic mixture. Again it is involved in reduction, okay. Nothing but 4 hydrogens adding occurs. 2 hydrogens will added here, 2 hydrogens will added. It is again as a CH3N CH3PH, okay, and it forms this compound, okay, like this. It is eliminated completely. It is eliminated completely and it forms CH2 like this and COOH, okay. So this is a 16th compound, okay. Later within the presence of acetic anhydride, this OH minus is eliminated here. This hydrogen is donated towards electron towards cycle side, it is eliminated as H plus. Both are eliminated as a water and here cyclization occurs. This kind of a cyclic compound is formed. This is our compound 17, okay. It is again react with Grignard reagent, okay, methyl plus MgBr minus, okay. So that time what happens, this cycle open occurs, okay. Next here CH3C double bond O, okay. Why? Because here cycle is open, right? That time here CH3 attacked, here again it is convert like a keto group, okay. This is our 18th compound. Later it is react with base, okay, and again cyclization occurs here, you must remember. Next it is react with periodic acid. Within the presence of periodic acid, this cycle is open and it converts like CHO and CHO, it is eliminated, okay. This is our 20th compound. For easy understanding purpose I wrote like CHO, this CH2 like here 2 hydrogens I am showing, okay. Later this from this CHO oxygen is eliminated. From this active methylene group 2 hydrogens are eliminated like water. When we boil in dioxane, that time water is eliminated and cyclization is formed like this, okay. So here double bond is there, that is why here 1 pi bond is there. Next CHO group, same CHO. This is our compound number 21, okay. Later it react with potassium dichromate, that time CHO is converted like COOH, okay. This COOH again react with diazomethane, that time this carboxylic acid is converted like ester COOCH3, okay. So simply within the presence of potassium dichromate and diazomethane, this CHO group is converted like COOCH3. This is our compound number 22, okay. Within the presence of hydrogen and platinum, it shows catalytic reduction, complete 4 pi bonds, 1 2 3 4 4 pi bonds are converted like single bond. This keto group is converted like OH group, that is why it is called, it is one of the isomer, 22nd compound, 23rd compound, okay. Later it within the presence of chromium trioxide, it involves in oxidation, okay. So that time what happens, this OH group convert like C double bond O group, okay. So here this is our 24th compound. It is again react with sodium borohydrate, that time this ester group is converted like a carboxylic acid group and forms compound number 25th, okay. So next it is react with acetic anhydride and dimethyl cadmium, okay. That time this carboxylic acid group is converted like a C double bond O CH3 like a group, Okay, so this is our compound number 26th. Again it is react with isohexyl magnesium bromide. Okay, very important. Okay, that time here what happens, here C double bond O containing pi bond, right? This pi bond is rotated towards this side, here minus charge, here plus charge, here directly attacked this hexyl chain here and forms this OH and CH3 same as it is like this. Okay, remaining 6 carbons, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is iso, right? Isohexyl chain is attacked at this carbonyl place. Okay, this is our compound number 27. Again it is react with acetyl chloride. So here what happens, OC double bond OCH3 keto group is convert like a acyl group. Okay, pi bond rotated towards this side, minus charge, here hydrogen is rotated towards this side, H plus is eliminated, this eliminated H is react with this Cl minus, okay, and forms HCl. This HCl is eliminated, right? That time what happens, this minus charge containing O plus charge containing C double bond O CH3. Okay, at this carbon plus charge is there, these plus charge containing C plus minus charge containing O minus, both are bonded and forms O C double bond O CH3. Okay, here electron rotation is occurs, right? Due to that reason here one electron is there, here one electron is there. Okay, here one extra pi bond is there simply. Okay, so this is our compound number 27, this is our compound number 28. Here double bond O is there, here OC double bond OCH3 is there. Due to here due to here electrons rotation, here pi bond is there. Okay, later this 28th compound formation occurs. This 28th compound again heated, that time dehydration occurs in isohexyl chain. Here OH is there, right? This OH and beside carbon containing hydrogen both are eliminated as a water. Okay, that time here pi bond formation occurs. This is our 29th compound. This 29th compound again involves in reduction within the presence of palladium. Okay, here 4 hydrogens are added. That time here this carbon containing this pi bond. Okay, so this pi bond and this pi bond both are involves in reduction. Two pi bonds reduction purpose, 4 hydrogens are involved, right? 4 hydrogen atoms are utilized, these 2 pi bonds are eliminated and this single bond containing 30th compound formed. Okay, so this 30th compound again react with the sodium dichromate. That time what happens, this OC double bond OCH3 group is convert like double bond O. Okay, acyl group is convert like keto group within the presence of sodium dichromate. For easy understanding purpose I wrote here OC double bond OCH3 is convert like carbonyl group. Okay, now 31 compound is formed. Here it is involves in bromination. Here especially this bromine is attacked from back side. Okay, here carbonyl is there, here 2 hydrogens are there. From these 2 hydrogens bromine molecule, right? Bromine molecule nothing but 2 bromine atoms are there. It will take hydrogen from here and it H plus. Okay, this is Br minus. Both are eliminated as a HBr. Within the place of this hydrogen bromine is attacked and forms this kind of compound. Okay, that is nothing but 32 compound. This bromine containing compound react with pyridine and forms a bromine eliminated compound. Here especially pi bond is absent, here pi bond is, this bromine is eliminated, here pi bond is formed. That is the variation between 32 and 33 compound. Later it is react with acetic anhydride. When acetic anhydride is there, when single acetic anhydride and acetyl group is there, that time this carbonyl group is converted like OC double bond O CH3, that is our compound number 34. Okay, after that it is involves in reduction reaction within the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. That time what happens, this OC double bond OCH3 reduced as a OH. Okay, and here pi bond also reduced, and here single bond is there. Okay, so this is our main compound. We get cholesterol structure. Okay, so this is about cholesterol synthesis. Simply see here like this. Once you observe carefully and then you practice reagents separately and start writing, then only you learn easily. So for that purpose, here I prepared reagents chart. You see that and take screenshot like this. If you want total structure, take a screenshot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Maheshwari Chemistry Classes, and thank you for your patience. Like my video and share with your friends. Thank you very much.